kind of dark in here. Not. Yeah, worth a little bit. So, anyone watches a shit ton of British TV. Actually, I got that wrong. Anyone who doesn't have a life watches a shit ton of British TV. So, you know what this is. Now, as a Hoovian, I like to play with this thing a lot. And there's the normal aspects of it, the bam, and then there's the my name. Okay. And then there's also the what? Let's reenact that. Let's show with this. 1, 2, 3. What? It's like you push it once and it just goes. You push it twice. Just different sound, but then it goes. What? Life's weird, man. Life is weird. Life is dark. Why is it so dark? I don't like it. I need to fix that. I need a lamp. Or brighter light bulbs. Something. God. It's depressing now that I think about it. Look how dark this is, man. My hair is red. It looks brown. Even it's a ginger color right now. But that's not the point. I love this. I really love this. It's really easy to threaten people with it. Just be like, dude, stop fucking with me, or this is going up your ass. Yeah. And then people start to think it's a dildo and get really concerned. Life would be so much easier if I was in England. Or if I had the plague. If I was immune to the plague. What was I talking about? Okay. Okay. I'm gonna stop.